In our add new employee video, we added Jim Bob to the payroll, but we just now need to add his direct deposit. So under the employee menu, you can find him in the list or card view, double click, open Jim Bob up, and it shows you personal pay, job information. So on the left-hand side, you want to choose direct deposit. Right? Make sure you have Jim Bob up on your screen, or you can choose him on the left. Click add account and follow the instructions. Routing and transit number. Continue to the account number. Yes, this is my bank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Account number. This is a savings account, which is common for partial paychecks. So we'll do only some of the paycheck, and let's do a percentage of, let's do 25% of my pay. Now in this screen here, do you want a pre-note? 99% of the time you do not want a pre-note. The only time you want a pre-note is when you don't have proper documentation from the employee, or if you have a question about the account. You can click yes to pre-note, and they'll get a live check until the bank confirms that the account is valid. Okay? You can finish, and there you are. You have 25% of the paycheck deposited into the savings. So let's add another account, and let's put in the remainder of the account, the remainder of the payroll. Okay, routing and transit, verify it's your bank. Double entry for the account number. This is going to be a checking account. And I want to do remainder of the paycheck. Again, you don't have to pre-note unless you have questions. And you're finished. So now, you see how both of these say active. That means 25% is going to go to this account, and then the remainder is going to go into the checking account. If you want to temporarily pause the account, you can click the pause button. So now this one is paused, and he'll get 100% deposit. To unpause it, you can simply, okay? If you need to edit the account information, you can click the edit button, or if you want to delete the direct deposit, simply click the delete key. That's all there is for adding direct deposit. Just make sure you have your documentation, and you should be all set. Thanks for watching.